So welcome to the world of inequalities. What are inequalities, you might ask? Inequalities are math statements that include one of these symbols: less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than, greater than, or not equal to. We can do three different things with inequalities. We can graph them, we can solve them, and once we've solved our inequality, we can then check to make sure that we have the right solution. And solution is another really important word. So solution, it's not just the answer to an inequality, but it's the solution set. It's the group of all numbers that make the inequality true. Okay, let's start with simply graphing an inequality. So if I have x is less than or equal to 4, I would graph that specifically by looking at the inequality sign. So on my number line, I want to make sure I put 4 because that's my anchor number. And then I want to put a couple of other numbers just to make sure that we've got things in the right direction. Remember, the smaller numbers are to the left and the larger numbers are to the right. This particular inequality sign tells me what symbol I'm going to have after 4. So, since this has an equal sign underneath it, at 4, I'm going to fill in that dot. That tells me that x can be equal to 4. Okay? Also, this arrow tells me that my solution can be less than 4 as well. So 3 could be a solution, negative 10 could be a solution, 2.5 could be a solution, negative 8 and 9/10 can be a solution. Anything that's less than or equal to 4. As a matter of fact, we can simplify this and make sure that we have the right symbols by just grouping them a little bit. These two symbols take a closed dot, and these three symbols actually do an open dot. Just out of curiosity, and for fun, let's do x is not equal to negative 3. Okay, so if I were to graph that one, again, negative 3 is my anchor, so that's definitely on my number line. To the left, I'm going to put negative 4 because that's smaller. And to the right, I'm going to put negative 2 because that's greater than negative 3. Okay, so when we graph this one at negative 3, we're going to have an open circle. And because it's not equal to negative 3, that means that it could be less than negative 3, or it could be greater than negative 3. Negative 3 is the only number excluded from our solution. So that means that we are done graphing. So welcome to the introduction. I hope you understood that, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.